I'm Dr. Scott Perry, Head of Neurosciences and Director at the Jane and John Justin Institute for Mind Health, a new collaborative clinical group here at Cook Children's bringing 9 specialties together dedicated to the care of kids with disorders of the nervous system. And the nervous system is a work of art. And what better way to celebrate that than making sure neuro art was a primary component of the design of this facility. The purpose of the neuro art is to show not only what is possible when you have a disorder of the nervous system, it's also to make neuroscience approachable. A lot of people think neuroscience is this dark bucket that's hard to figure out, right? It's a really complex system, but in reality, there is a lot to see in the neurosciences and a lot to engage in, and I think that's what the art does, is hopefully it engages people to understand how amazing our nervous system is. And so it really just helps make neuroscience approachable for the people who are engaging with the art. This piece by John Bramblett speaks to what's possible when you have disorders of the nervous system. John not only has epilepsy, but he lost his eyesight later in life and still can paint these amazing, vibrant pictures by touch alone. So the sand table was an effort to create something in the waiting room that was, engaging to our patients, but wasn't a television touchscreen. I hope it provides a sense of calm for the kids that come to see us, for the families. I hope it is something that excites them, that interests them to find out how it works. I think it's going to really help the experience of coming to the Institute. I used to buy a lot of great art off of eBay. And so I bought this piece from a guy who used robots to paint. I contacted him and I said, is there any way we could do something like this in a hospital where multiple kids could work on it? Next thing you know, we got a robot at the hospital. Meeting Pindar was a bit of serendipity.
This is the one project I'm working on at Cook Children's. It's like my respite from the art world. It's like this relaxing, fun thing that I look forward to and can relax while I'm doing it. When you think of a robot doing something, making a piece of art, it's kind of easy, but I wanted something harder. I wanted to achieve a likeness, to make something that had like expressiveness, abstraction, but in the end it looked like someone. But with the help of Spike Langelo, they're all absolutely making these like representative portraits with likeness and good colors and great contrast. So it's actually bringing the creativity out in them and making people that might not otherwise have been capable of doing a portrait with likeness, make a portrait with likeness.
Artificial intelligence and robotics, it's not being necessarily the artist, it's being an assistant to the artist. And we want to continue to build in abilities for it to assist kids of all levels. We're very proud of what we created here at the Justin Institute. I want to thank all the artists who gave their talents to create this beautiful neuro art collection. And I hope that our patients and our caregivers find inspiration here, just like all of the providers that provide care each and every day.